Are you tired of guessing what's hiding inside your engine, pipes, or walls? Today, we're breaking down the best Borescope cameras you can buy right now, and I'm going to save you a ton of time and money. We'll cover resolution, build quality, articulation, display, and value so you walk away knowing exactly which one fits your needs. Let's get into it. Number 1. Teslong Inspection Camera. The Teslong Inspection Camera kicks off our list, and for good reason. It's one of the most trusted names in the inspection camera space. It shoots in 1080 pixels HD and comes with an integrated screen, so you don't need a phone or tablet to see what's going on. The IP67 rated semi-rigid probe handles water, dust, and tight spaces without breaking a sweat. The adjustable built-in LEDs are a nice touch. You get solid lighting even in pitch-dark spots like engine bays or HVAC ducts. It works great for automotive, plumbing, and industrial inspections alike. Overall, a rock-solid pick for anyone who wants a reliable, brand-name Borescope. Next up, the DXZ TOS two-way articulating Borescope is honestly one of the most impressive options on this list. The big deal here is the 210 two-way articulation. That means you can steer the camera tip around corners and into tight bends that a regular rigid probe just can't reach. It records photos and video to an SD card and displays everything on a sharp 4.3-inch IPS screen. The 8.5 mm probe diameter is slim enough for most jobs, and the 3000 mAh rechargeable battery keeps you going for long sessions. At 5.5 feet of cable, it covers most common inspection depths too. If articulation and display quality matter to you, this one is hard to beat. Coming in at number 3, the Depstech Borescope is one of the most popular choices in this category, and it earns that reputation. You get 1080 pixels HD resolution through an 8.5 mm semi-rigid probe, backed by an IP67 waterproof rating that holds up in tough conditions. The adjustable LED lighting means you're never squinting at a dark, blurry image. Depstech has built a strong reputation for making inspection cameras that just work, without overcomplicating things. It's a favorite for both automotive mechanics and homeowners handling plumbing or HVAC checks. A popular mainstream choice, and popular for a reason. At number 4, the Daxiongmao Borescope brings something a little different to the table: a dual lens design. Having two camera views means you can check angles and perspectives that a single lens camera might miss entirely. The 1080 pixels HD quality keeps footage sharp, and the waterproof probe means it can handle damp or wet environments without any issues. The semi-rigid cable gives you just enough flexibility to navigate tricky paths while staying easy to control. Adjustable LED lighting rounds out a feature set that's genuinely useful for detailed inspections. A strong pick if you want more coverage from a single camera. Halfway through the list, the Akoth two-way articulating Borescope steps in as a newer articulating option designed with automotive use in mind. The two-way articulating tip lets you maneuver around tight corners inside engines and exhaust systems, places a fixed probe simply can't go. You get 1080 pixels HD footage on an integrated display, so everything is self-contained. The waterproof inspection probe adds durability for real-world job site conditions. It's a clean, purpose-built design without a lot of unnecessary extras. If you're a mechanic or car enthusiast, this one is worth a serious look. Coming in at number 6, The Borescope is another dual-lens camera that gives you flexible viewing options during inspections. The IP67 waterproof rating protects the probe in wet or dirty environments, and the adjustable LEDs ensure you've always got enough light to see clearly. The semi-rigid cable balances maneuverability and control nicely. It handles both automotive and household inspection tasks well, making it a versatile tool to have around. The built-in screen means no extra device needed. Just pick it up and go. A solid dual lens option for everyday inspection jobs. At number 7, the Ralcam two-way articulating borescope brings articulated steering to automotive-focused users who need more control inside tight engine bays. The 1080 pixels HD resolution delivers clear footage, and the two-way articulation helps you navigate bends and corners with confidence. The waterproof semi-rigid cable adds reliability in real working conditions. An integrated display keeps everything in one package, no phone app required. It's a straightforward articulating borescope that focuses on doing its core job well. Great for mechanics who want reliable articulation without the fuss. Number 8 is the Mug Easy Inspection Borescope, and this one is all about delivering solid performance without breaking the bank. You get 1080 pixels HD clarity through a semi-rigid, waterproof cable, exactly what you need for engine checks and pipe inspections. The built-in LED illumination lights up dark spaces, so you're not missing anything important. It's a no-nonsense tool that covers the basics well: clear image, waterproof build, good lighting. If you don't need advanced articulation and just want a dependable inspection camera, this delivers. A great budget-friendly pick for occasional users. Coming in at 9, the Papablue Borescope is designed as a simple, multi-purpose inspection tool that gets the job done. It outputs HD images through a waterproof semi-rigid cable, with adjustable LEDs giving you control over how much light hits your subject. There's nothing overly complicated here, just a capable general-purpose borescope. Whether you're checking pipes, vents, or hard-to-reach crawl spaces, the Papablue handles routine inspection tasks with ease. The straightforward design means there's almost no learning curve. A clean, simple tool that works well for general household inspections. Closing out the list, the Winwen Borescope camera is a flexible, entry-level option built for both automotive and household use. The flexible inspection cable makes it easy to navigate tight and winding spaces, and the built-in illumination keeps your view bright and clear. It's an HD camera with a waterproof probe at a price that makes it easy to try. If you're brand new to borescopes and just want something affordable to get started, this is a low-risk entry point. It covers the essentials without any complicated features to figure out. The most affordable entry point on our list? Perfect for first-time buyers. So there you have it. If you want the best all-around borescope camera, the DXZ TOZ is hard to top for its articulation and display. And for a trusted, reliable pick, the Teslong never disappoints. Links to all 10 are in the description below. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment. I read every single one.